Hey there, it's Rob Riggs with Code Conspirators. So have you heard the news? Our good old friends at Google have decided it's time to shake things up yet again, because why not? So they're moving away from Universal Analytics, that's UA, in favor of the shiny new Google Analytics 4, GA4 in other words. And you know what that means, right? It is time for a little chit chat on how to get on top of your data game. So buckle up, let's dive in. First, why the change? So I know you're thinking, what was wrong with UA? I like my old analytics. Well, my dear friends, times they are a-changing. Privacy concerns and the impending cookie apocalypse have forced Google to rethink how they track user interactions. So enter GA4, which uses machine learning and AI to predict user behavior even without those delicious cookies. So fancy, right? So why should you care? So that's the big question. Besides the fact that UA will be as obsolete as the floppy disk as soon as July 1st, 2023, GA4 offers some pretty sweet features. So we're talking event tracking without code, cross-platform analysis, and improved data visualization. And let's not forget, it's more privacy focused, which is critical these days. So, you can sleep soundly at night after moving to GA4. So now comes the million-dollar question, what should you do about it? So first things first, don't panic. You've got a little bit of time. Current Universal Analytics will continue to run and track data until July 1st, 2023. And after that date, if you've not updated to the GA4, then your data, your website visitors, is not going to get tracked. That's kind of a big deal. So because tracking your visitor behavior, your visits, helps inform your marketing decisions going forward, which content to highlight, whether to promote certain services versus other services. So you've got some time to make the switch, but there are a few things you can do now. You can start by setting up a GA4 property alongside your existing UA property to get a taste of the new analytics. So compare the data between the two, learn the ropes, and then when you're ready, when you're feeling confident, make the big leap to GA4. It's not as scary as it sounds. So, just in case, if you're feeling a bit overwhelmed, we've got your back, of course. So our team of web techs is here to make that transition as smooth as a fresh jar of Skippy. So just give us a shout. We'll handle that whole GA4 shebang for you, from setting up the new property to tweaking your event tracking, integrating with your website, making sure that the visits are tracking live in the GA4 standard. So you'll be on top of the data game in no time. So the entire process should take less than 2 to 3 hours of our time. And if you're taking advantage of our continuous improvement maintenance package, we'll throw in an extra hour as part of this effort to help make sure you don't lose access to your data post-July. So just click the link below in the email to let us know that you want us to handle the update for you, or if you're going to handle it yourself, totally good. We just want to highlight how important this is, critical if you use analytics for your data and decision making. So quick summary here, UA is taking a hike, GA4 is the new kid in town. Make the switch, embrace the change, and unlock a whole new world of analytics goodness. And remember, our team is just a click away if you need some help making that jump. Take care and happy marketing.